Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Zoho CRM. So the very first thing that we should do here is we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to type out Zoho CRM, and then we'd be able to see this first website. So you just have to click on this one, and you'd be directed to this page. So before we create an account or sign into an account, we have to take note that we have to subscribe to a plan in order for us to access the Zoho CRM. But of course, it has a free trial plan, so we can subscribe on it. So let's check the pricing first. So here we have the monthly and the yearly. So we have the standard, the professional, the enterprise, and the ultimate. So as you can see, when we switch to monthly, the prices increases. Okay, so if you want to save up to 34% of the billing, so you have to switch to yearly. Okay, so but for this one, we are going to start with the free trial. So you just have to sign in, and then you have to log in with your Google account, or you have to type out right here your email address or mobile number. So I'm just going to use my Google account and then just select and click on continue. And then after that, you'd be directed to this section. So what you're going to do here is to type out your company name, your phone number, and then the employee account. Then after that, just have to click on the get started option. Okay, so make sure to allow this one, and then type out right here your phone numbers. I'm just going to type out right here random numbers. Then after that, just click on the get started option. Okay, so right there, you'd be able to see this section. So just wait for a couple of seconds. Then after in a while, you'd be able to see this now. So you have to set up your CRM to make your CRM smarter and more interactive. So you can invite your team, configure your deals pipeline, and more. So we can just skip this part for now. And then right here, you'd be directed to your homepage. So basically, this is your dashboard. So you'd be able to see here all of your details of my open deals, my in-touch deals, calls today, my leads, and more. So you can see at the top options, we have home, leads, contact accounts, deals, tasks, meetings, calls, reports, services, and projects. And then right here at the top right, when you clicked on this one, you'll be able to see here the Zoho applications that we can use as well. Okay, so we have these different applications. So if you want us to make a video about the applications right here, just comment down below. Okay, so when you click on your profile, you'll be able to see here your profile details. Okay, then when you go to the marketplace, you'd be able to see here the different extensions. Okay, so you have your categories, and then when you scroll down right here, you have the marketing extensions and more. So if you want to use these extensions, just go to the marketplace. Okay, and you also have here the calendar, and then we can also create a menu right here. So let's go back to our homepage. Okay, so now just click on the create menu option or the plus icon. So this one, and see, for example, you would like to create a new lead, contact, account, deal, task, meeting, call, and more. So for this one, let me try to create a vendor or campaign. Okay, so let me try the vendor. So if you would like to add a vendor, so you just have to click on it and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And right here, you just have to add the details of the vendor. So we have here the image of the vendor owner, the phone, the website, and then the category. And here we have the address information, the description information, and then at the right side, we also have the vendor name right here, and then all of the details that you need to fill out for your vendor. And then after that, you just have to click on the save option at the top right. Then you'd be able to add that vendor. Next one is the leads. So when you go to the lead section, you'll be able to see here now the different leads. Okay, so we have here the lead name, we have the company, the email, the phone, the lead source, and then all of the details for your leads. And for example, you would like to create a new lead, so you just have to simply click on the create lead option at the top right. Okay, and here you can also select the touch records, and touch records, you have your record action, and more. So there are so many things that you could explore in this section if you would like to find that specific lead. Okay, so again, if you want to create a new lead, just click on the create lead option at the top right. And then when we clicked on this lead right here, you'd be able to see the overview of this one. And then if you would like to update the details, for example, you would like to change the email, the phone number, the mobile, and then the lead status. And we also have here the details. So you have the choice to customize this one. So let me try first to customize the number right here at the top. So say for example for the phone. So just click on this box right here and then you can now start erasing the existing numbers and then type out right here your number. And then if you would like to send this email, so just click on the send email option. And then of course you have here your recipient and then you have here your subject. So you just have to type out right here your subject and then your content. After that, just click on the send option. Okay, so here we also have this different options at the left side. You just have to go to this section and you can also add related list if you want to. And then if you would like to add a note for this one, so just click on the notes option and then you just have to type out right here your notes for this lead. Okay, so now let's proceed to the context section. So just the same, just have to click on the create context option at the top right if you would like to add a new context. So here in the context section, you'd be able to see here the account name, the email, the phone, the contact honor, the contact name, of course, then all of the details for your contacts. Okay, and then if you'd like to delete a specific contact, you just click on it and then just have to delete the bin icon. Okay, so here if you'd like to add a new contact, just input right here all of the important information. Now let's proceed to the account section. So here you'd be able to see all of the accounts. Then if you would like to add a new account, just click on the create account option. And then for the deal section, we have here all of the deals. So for example, this one. Okay, so this is our current deals. And then if you would like to create a new deal, just simply click on the create deal option at the top right of your screen. So this one. Okay, and then you just have to type out right here the deal information and of course the amount. And then here for the task, you'll be able to see here all of our tasks. And then we have here the meetings, our calls section. So for example, this is our meeting. So if you'd like to customize this one, just click on the pencil icon. And then if you'd like to create a new meeting, just click on the create meeting option. And here for the call section, when you clicked on it, you'd be able to see here all of your calls. So for example, this one, for the call type, this is outbound already. And then if you would like to customize this one, if you would like to update the details for this call, just click on it. And right here, you can also mark this one as completed. Okay, then after that, just have to click on save. And of course, as you can see right here, you have to type out the call duration. And then just have to go to the rest of the options at the top. We have the vendor section, the services, the projects, and more. So if you'd like to create a specific video for each of the options at the top, just comment down below. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.